Hi, it's Jeff Hamlin with S&E Professional Hygiene coming to you from Tork Studio 1 in Happy Valley, Oregon. Today we're talking about Tork PeakServe continuous towel systems, and in this case we're going to talk about the ease of installing the recessed cabinet adapter. Today we're using the large cabinet adapter. It's item number 552522, and inside that box you get two items. You get a mounting bar and you get the actual adapter itself. We expect this installation will take you less than 5 minutes, and I'll show you now just how simple that process is. So the first thing we're going to do is install this mounting bar. The mounting bar just attaches to the mouth of the dispenser with clips. Mounting bar is in. Now we'll take the adapter and we'll just set that on top of that mounting bar. And you're set. Now, before you actually use the sheet metal screws to screw the adapter and attach it into the dispenser, you want to make sure that the door closes properly first. In this case, it looks like it does. So, I've preloaded some towels into this dispenser. Let's go ahead and get this dispenser loaded. And just like that, we've turned this dispenser into a high-capacity, peak-performing dispenser. Thank you for joining me today.